going on, my beautiful people? We are here in one of our newest acquisitions. I'm about to show you. We're gonna name this house the Yellow Brick House. It's in the city of Sunrise. Very nice property. It'll be available to rent on Airbnb probably in the next couple of days. So probably by Wednesday. Not sure when you're gonna see this video, but it's a lovely 3-2. We're doing the finishing touches on it. As you come in, bedroom number 1. As you can see, my girl's already made the beds. Bathroom. Here's the master. Bathroom. Door that leads out to the pool. It's a beautiful pool. Nice covered outdoor table and space, fan, gas grill. And on this side of the house, you have the kitchen. You have another bedroom. Nice little coffee station, coffee area for you to hang out, get some coffee. Your parents can sit here, watch your kids in the pool. So you sit right here, make yourself some coffee while your kids and family members are out there enjoying the pool. And the men, I repeat, the men are in the kitchen cooking up some dinner. Well, tell me what you think. You like the place? Comment below. See you in the next one.